So here's Jamaica. This area has been getting better organized overnight. This will work its way into Jamaica as expected, especially late today and tonight, right? I was mentioning that yesterday, and then through the day tomorrow, working its way into the Cayman Islands. We'll zoom down in a second. Winds will be close to hurricane status. The rain's still the biggest issue out of this. Then this area moves toward western Cuba on Wednesday. Winds could be near 80 miles per hour. Then into the Gulf of Mexico. What happens after that? Some of the models want to just kind of drift this up to the north and have it weaken near Mississippi or Alabama of 8 inches of rain or 200 millimeters of rain. That is a lot, as we know. Thank you for making those preps for the flooding. Keep me posted in the comments. Right across Jamaica, got you covered. I'm watching us in Jamaica nonstop. You know I am. We swing back toward the Cayman Islands. Same thing. Heaviest rain may be a little bit more toward Cayman, back over toward Little Cayman, where we could get some of the totals, almost that black and red shading, 6 to 8 inches of rain, 150 millimeters